Hello, this is Cara from CaraBrandonCreations, and I wanted to share a new kit. This one is called the Butterfly Collector. It has 14 pages and it coordinates really well with the collector's journal. The collector's journal has entomology, butterflies, birds, all that good stuff. Similar tones and colors. The butterfly collector is just butterflies. So it can stand on its own, or you can mix and match with the other kit. All right, so 14 pages. So let's take a look. There's some journal pages with some washi tape and old jaggedy pages like you find in an old journal. And then stacks of different notes that the collector might have taken with staples and paper clips. And then this page with the butterflies. Make sure I'm in frame. And then this one with some specimen cards that are stapled together. And then this one with some bright butterflies. And then some more butterflies. And more butterflies. And then this is a background sheet that you could use to print on the backs of the other pages. And then there's this one that has the half sheet of this. So you could print that on the backs of the other pages. And then we have an ephemera page and fussy cut butterflies. Whoops. And some more ephemera with some specimen cards and some specimen tags, the number, the name, source, locality, and then some butterfly tags. All right, so what I've done is I've also cut out the ephemera so you can kind of see what it looks like once it's been cut out. There's one of the layered embellishments, a postcard. Isn't this one fun? I love this one with the girl and the butterflies, so cute. There's that one. Some butterfly cards and a tag. And here's the butterfly tags. So I've just printed these out on some cardstock and inked the edges. That's all I've done so far. And here's the specimen tags. These will be fun to add to. And then there's these other ones with frames. Another embellishment cluster, and then some little bits like this. Some specimen cards. And this one, a little layered with the staples. And then a magnifying glass. And there's also the fussy cut butterflies. And again, they're on cardstock. And I just inked around the edges. There's little ones and big ones, quite a few. Bright colored, fun, different butterflies. Will be perfect for embellishing the journal or any, you know, insect kind of bug ephemera or items that you're going to make. All right, so all of these embellishments are part of the kit. Again, there's 14 pages total, and it does go really, really well with the collector's journal. Isn't that fun? All right, so you can find the link below to the Etsy shop. It is on sale currently. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.